ស្តីទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ YouTube Channel Dara យិនអូខេជំរាបសួរទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយទេខ្ញុំគិតថាទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយអរគុណ Hello everyone I hope this video find you well thank you very much for as always watching our YouTube channel as today I'm going to help you learn two sentences with similar pronunciation word but it is completely different these two words okay so say me too in English say me too and I drink tea how do you say that in Khmer let's go together okay let's get together here so me too in Khmer we say ខ្ញុំដែរខ្ញុំដែរ so the strong D and then I ខ្ញុំដែរ me too ខ្ញុំដែរខ្ញុំដែរ how about I drink tea ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំទឹកតែ okay so តែទេ so តែ so ទឹកតែ is tea ទឹកតែ so ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំទឹកតែ I drink tea too ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំទឹកតែដែរខ្ញុំញ៉ាំទឹកតែដែរ so tell me what is the difference so ដែរតែខ្ញុំញ៉ាំទឹកតែដែរ I hope this short video will help you to distinguish these two words ដែរ and តែដែរ and តែ so ដែរ is mean T-double-O the translation for T-double-O in Khmer is ដែរ and T-E-A in Khmer we say ទឹកតែទឹកតែ okay so thank you have a nice day លាទាំងអស់គ្នា